back for the Chord Academy. We're going to be doing the E minor chord, 12 quick and easy ways to play E minor. If you're a beginner, this is a great place to start, or if you're an advanced player, this is a great way to play some other chords while you're just sitting there strumming, your typical three-note triad stuff. There's only 3 notes to the chord, so there's 3 strings to be played on. The notes are E, G, and B. And before I forget, the notes down in the description there, you can always download the chord charts and everything for free. Just hit the link down there. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. So let's get busy. All right. So the first thing, this one's the easiest one, right? So you just have open strings on the first, second, and third strings there. That's going to be your first way of playing E minor. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go up to this G on the 3rd fret here. It's 1 octave higher than the open G there. I always use that as sort of a guide note to tell me where the next shape is going to be. There's a couple ways of doing that, but this is good for now. We're not going to get too much into the theory and stuff like that. So next place to play it is from the 1st, 2nd to the 3rd string. You've got 3rd fret, 5th fret, and 4th fret. So 1st string, 3rd string, 2nd string. Just like that. 3rd. You could also use your 4th finger here, and then the 2nd finger there, or 3rd. Depends on what you're going to do with it, if you're going to embellish it or not. Then octave right there. You've got up 3 frets, skip a string, and then you've got your E minor right there, which is on frets from strings 1, 2, 3. You've got 7, 8, and 9 with 1st, 2nd, and 3rd fingers. Next, you've got the 2 open strings on the 2nd and 3rd string from before, and then you've got whatever finger you want to use on the 2nd finger, or excuse me, 2nd fret of the 4th string. Okay. Then use your octave there. Again, we're up to the B string there. Up 3 frets, skip a string. Okay. And then this is where you're going to be onto your next one, which is going to be on 5th, 4th, and 5th of strings 2, 3, and 4. 3rd finger, 1st finger, 2nd finger. Okay. The next one, once again, use that octave there, up 3 frets, skip a string. Okay, so this one you're going to have fret 8, 9, and 9. 1st finger, 3rd finger, 4th finger on strings 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Now the next one that we're going to do is going to start on the 3rd, 4th, and 5th strings here. And this one's pretty easy. It's kind of like you're doing your regular open one down here, which you've got open string on the 3rd string, then 2nd fret on the 4th and 5th strings. Okay, I use my 3rd and 4th finger that way. You could use other fingers if you want to. Okay, then once again you're going to use your octave, but this time it's up 2 frets and skip a string. So up 2, down 2, or skip 1 and skip 1. Just like that. That's going to be your next guide note there. This is going to be just a root position E minor right here. So frets 4, 5, and 9. And then you're going to have fingers 1, 2, and 4. Okay, then once again the octave there. You've got frets 9, 9, and 10. Okay, and I just bar that 9th fret on the 2 middle strings, 3 and 4, and then 2nd finger right there. Okay, the final group of strings, we're going to be back down here, and we've got the 5th and 4th strings with the 1st finger. We're going to bar that, and then we're putting our 3rd in the bass here at G with the 2nd finger on the 3rd fret of the 6th string. Okay, do the octave thing again. That gives you a clue of where that last note is going to be here. So you've got 5th fret, 7th fret, 7th fret, strings 4, 5, and 6, 1st finger, 4th finger, and 3rd finger. And we use an octave again. Got your 12th fret, 10th fret, and 9th fret. Strings 4, 5, and 6, and 1st finger, 2nd finger, 4th finger. Okay. That gives you 12 quick and easy ways of playing the E minor chord on different groups of strings. Adds variety to your playing. Again, hit the like and subscribe button. Hit the notification bell if you want to keep aware of what's coming up here. And once again, if the chord charts are in the description, just hit on the link there, and we'll be good to go. Let me know in the comments what you want me to cover next. Real quick and easy. Trying to keep it to those quick and easy ways. So until next time, we'll see you then.